Welcome to Speak English with Navila. Let's learn. Degrees of comparison. What is comparison? We compare things every day. This apple is big. This apple is bigger. This apple is biggest. We compare people, places and things every day. When we compare, we use degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. Let's learn them one by one. Positive degree. Danny is smart. This mango is sweet. Positive degree describes only one person, place or thing. We are not comparing, we are just describing. Let's look at some example sentences in the positive degree. This building is tall. This car is fast. Beth is happy. This road is long. Today is cold. Comparative degree. Danny is smarter than Bob. This mango is sweeter than that mango. Comparative degree compares 2 people, places or things. We add er and use the word than. Let's look at some example sentences in the comparative degree. This building is taller than that building. This car is faster than that car. Beth is happier than Cindy. This road is longer than that road. Today is colder than yesterday. Other rules for comparative degree. For some words we use more and than. This flower is more beautiful than that flower. This book is more useful than that book. Let's look at some more examples. This story is more interesting than that story. This chair is more comfortable than that chair. Liam is more helpful than Logan. This bag is more expensive than that bag. Emily is more active than Ava. Superlative degree. Danny is the smartest. This mango is the sweetest. Superlative degree compares more than 2 people, places or things. We add est and use the word the before the superlative. Let's look at some example sentences in the superlative degree. This building is the tallest. This car is the fastest. Beth is the happiest. This road is the longest. Today is the coldest day. Other rules for superlative degree. For some words we use most. This is the most beautiful flower. This is the most useful book. Let's look at some more examples. This is the most interesting story. This is the most comfortable chair. Liam is the most helpful boy. This is the most expensive bag. Emily is the most active girl. Just a quick recap. Today we learned about degrees of comparison. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.